This is a quick video showing how to put in the disclaimer about recording required for GDPR and transparency into the invites to your meetings for video classes, be they on Teams or on Zoom. So starting with Zoom, you can see that we're in the general posts. If you go over to where it says Meet, click on the drop-down menu, schedule a meeting, and then all you need to do is put in the standard disclaimer by pasting it in, and it's there, and then set up the rest of your meeting or your video class as you normally would. Now in Zoom, again, you can see where you go into hosting a meeting, and it comes across, and you should have your schedule of your regular meetings. So this is one of my regular classes on a Tuesday, and again, just paste in the statement that we require to be used, and make sure that you've got a waiting room at the very least set up. You may of course be using a passcode as well, but please make sure you've got a waiting room, because that then gives them the option of reading it when they arrive before they enter the room. Okay, that's it.